This is gonna blow your mind. Baobab powder turns into a citrusy, creamy drink in minutes. Ready to impress with a secret African refreshment? Hate boring drinks? Make Tajmakht. Start with 1 cup Baobab fruit powder and half of 4 to 5 cups cold water in a pitcher. Whisk like you mean it until it's frothy and pale. Then sweeten with 3 to 5 tablespoons sugar honey dates to taste. Add the rest of the water, stir, leave the pulpy bits or strain through cheesecloth for smoothness. Want the richer Senegalese gris-gris? Blend in 1 to 2 tablespoons natural peanut butter, a pinch of ginger, a dash of vanilla, then strain. Chill. Pour over ice, taste, adjust, and enjoy. Full of vitamin C, fiber, and good vibes. Quick tip: soak for an hour for extra depth. Serve fresh and sip happily.